Hello and welcome to a very brief introduction to the 5 vocal warm-ups from a collection of songs called 15 Fun Songs for Young Singers. Firstly, we have Nursery Rhyme Time, which is 3 traditional nursery rhymes arranged so they can all be sung at the same time as a round. Secondly, we have Buzz Buzz Buzzy Bee, which, as I'm sure you can guess, is about a buzzy bee. The third one teaches the singers how to count from 1 to 10 in English, French, German and BSL, and it's called 1, 2, 10. The fourth warm-up is It's All a Bit Cheesy, and there's nothing else really to say except it's very cheesy. And lastly, out of the 5 is Cutie Canines, which is again a round, a fun warm-up which involves the names of different breeds of dogs. Thank you so much for listening, and to finish off, here are 5 little excerpts from each song.
There was a masquerade frog, an airplane, a snack, commas, chilling with an anybody would give a dog a pelican. Miss Buzzy Bee, make honey for me, sweet little bee, so happy and free. And that 5, try 5 and 6, 7, 9, 10. English, German, 2, French, and cook. Soft, squidgy, killing brie, ricotta, mozzarella, cottages, top, feta, bulldogs, girl labradoodle, poodles, girl labradoodle, beagles, girl labradoodle, which one would you take?